Hi dear viewers, this is Arash Kamali with another session of the website programming course on the Python programming language and the Django framework. Again, as always, a very warm welcome from me. If you remember, in the previous session we completed the search section based on the date, category and the next part, and now we are going to deal with an except. Here in our filter we learned to say if it was equal or if it was bigger or smaller. Now we are going to say opposite. In order to say that, here in the query I write, for instance, my query is news.objects.filter. I do my filtering. I say less than or larger than this, and I get the pk, and I say except for this one, exclude except the one whose name equals, for instance, a, or I can say the one whose date is greater or equal, for instance 1/1/2019. Okay, so thus I can write my exclude and say except, and say except either less or opposite, or we can say opposite pk equals 10, for instance, like this. Now every way we want it, I comment this on the news app so that you can have it and are able to use it.